Hello, today I will show you how to migrate Thunderbird email to Outlook manually. But before that, if you don't know about Gmail app password, then watch my previous video to create a new one for Thunderbird to Outlook migration. Once you have made it, follow the video further. Log into your Gmail account and go to the gear icon. Go to forwarding and pop a map tab and enable a map protocol. Scroll down and save changes. Open your Mozilla Thunderbird and create a new account with Gmail. Fill in the Gmail login detail, and in the place of a password, use your generated app password. If all details are filled in correctly, your account will be created successfully. Once it's done, click on the Finish button. Now create a new folder under the newly created account and drag all your Thunderbird emails into it. Afterward, go back to your Gmail account to confirm that it has been successfully synchronized. For the second half, we again create a new password for Gmail to Outlook setup. Otherwise, your new mailbox does not import in Microsoft Outlook. Once you create it, then follow the procedure. Go to File, Account, Add Account. Fill in all detail related to your Gmail account and use the new app password in place of the password field. Test the account setting. If all is good, then you can click on the Next button. Otherwise, click on the More setting. Go to the Outgoing Server tab and Advanced tab as I am doing and make changes in the setting. Press the Next button and complete the setup process. That's all. Your Thunderbird data access has been successfully done in Outlook. This process is the same for all Outlook version. For the third-party tool, check the description. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.